Uh, Great to back you again. I hope you all are doing great. There was a network issue last time, so we are back again and waiting for the author of our next solo book, Sudipta Misra ma'am, for her book Songs of My Heart. We are welcoming you, ma'am. हेलो विपिन, हेलो टीना, हेलो रूपाली सुमन, हेलो अनुपमा मैम। मैं ठीक हूँ टीना, आप बताइए। हेलो प्रशस्ति, सभी का स्वागत है। थैंक यू वेरी मच फैमिली। हेलो प्रशस्ति, हेलो सीता मैम, कम सून, वी आर वेटिंग फॉर यू मैम। या हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हैं आप लोग? कम फास्ट, वी आर वेटिंग फॉर यू फैमिली।
Again, I am back.
हेलो मैम,
Yes, again I am back,
congratulations।
and we should continue, officer. I
या
know
या
in my
मैम,
house there
डेफिनेटली,
is lot of
नो
internet
प्रॉब्लम मैम।
problem. Warm greetings, dear ones. Let me extend my gratitude to you all. I hope you can hear me, officer. You can
Yes,
hear
ma'am,
me,
we
na?
can hear you. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay. In a
Please go
loud
ahead.
voice, I
Yeah,
have to
please.
say, because in boat or in any ear speaker, I am getting disconnected. That's why I am saying in a loud voice, all of you. Okay, let's have a happy and safe Diwali for you. On such auspicious occasion, let me read a prayer poem. It is a prayer for all. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's light up the darkness. Let's light up the darkness with the joy of light. O God, alter my ignorance into the world of thine luminous sense. Embrace this fool. Light up the prevailing conflict. I am in deep pain. Allow the dark to glow inside my brain. Still, I crave and long for your heavenly glow. Let the radiant rays of thy presence help me to grow. Sudipta, only for my readers.
Wow, amazing, ma'am. That was amazing.
Thank you,
So
officer.
kind of you, ma'am. It's really a blessing to
Thank you,
listen
officer.
this kind of stuff from you. So, ma'am, first of all, congratulations for your next solo
Thank
book.
you.
Uh, and first with us. And like I told earlier, I'm happy that you are associated with us since last 10 months, and it's a great pleasure to have you as a core member, as a co-author, as a permanent member. So thank you very much, ma'am, for blessing us. Thank you very much, ma'am. And ma'am, next thing, first of all, we would like to talk about the biggest, topic of today, the solo book of yours. So, ma'am, what is Songs of My Heart from your side? Please tell us about that.
Actually, this book sings the saga of melodious songs of my soul to your soul also.
Okay.
The content of this book revolves
Yes, yes, yes.
around the radiance of the sun, the shadows of my dreams,
Wow.
and the smiling waves of the sea also. I owe my heartfelt tribute to Almighty only to inspire me to create such a timeless saga of my emotive feelings in a single the universe and waved in a tranquil ambience. The songs of my heart recaptures the magnificent grace of nature elegantly. The misery of a melancholic soul is vividly painted in this volume. Last but not least, this book celebrates the glory of God and the purity of love and compassion for the entire humanity. I hope you get it,
Wow.
officer.
Yeah, ma'am, I got it. Okay. Wow, amazing. So I hope every family members have got the basic idea, the soul of the heart of the songs of my heart. And ma'am has written very very well. I let me tell you one thing. I have read all the poems. And one thing I would like to tell that we all Hamurians, all co-writer. whenever we need someone who can write an article, we just go to Sudipta ma'am. Then please ma'am, there is a topic, and ma'am, basically writer takes some time. There's 1 day, 2 day, maybe some hours. But let me tell you something. Sudipta ma'am is the first, one and only, important member we have. She has already written. Okay, she doesn't need any time. 5 minutes, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. The time she needs, she takes to know. Okay, there is a topic. Let me tell you, Abhisar. Let me send you, Abhisar. And yes, it takes time. She takes time just to make it rectify, because an article writer, you columnist, you just write it, you just paint down your feelings, your emotions, and you have to, you need some time to make it rectify. Okay, there is some editings and all errors management. But Sudipta ma'am, you are my one of the favorite article writer, and I again want to thank you. Always from the beginning, you have been a article writer, and you published, and so, being an author, a solo book named Songs of My Heart. I am feeling blessed. Okay. So, ma'am, next question is, from where the idea get comes, and from where you thought that I should write a book on this topic. Please tell us about that. Yeah.
Or in love or in pain, someone writes. Some people revolt and became to the next one. This book wave
Wow.
like writers. We writers are actually nothing. Due to such
Amazing.
publication houses, Homebrew, Notion publication,
Thank you.
anything, so on and so forth, we writers are stepping forward, and we even dare to create such books for the entire humanity. My heartfelt tribute to you also.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Abhisar.
It's like a pleasure to have people like you, ma'am. Thank you very much. God bless you, ma'am. And
Actually, it's a
I would like
pleasure
to
to have people like you.
thank you very much, ma'am. God bless you. Thank you. So, ma'am, like you say something, you talk about something, we have conversation about something. It's like you are reciting. So, I would like to, give a glimpse of our Hamurians of any of your writings, ma'am. So, any of your writers, which is really closer to your heart, please, ma'am, go with that. Please, we would like to listen something from your side. Please, ma'am. Yeah, please enlighten us. Wow. Amazing.
The full moon sky is glowing with glittery glass. Full
Wow.
broadening dreamlike citizens. Savory moon dips into my room like an
Yeah, there is network issues, ma'am. No problem. We'll add her again very soon.
Hello everyone.
Did you again? Yes, ma'am. Now please recite. Yeah, please, ma'am. Yeah, continue.
Yes.
Yeah, ma'am.
Last lines. Last lines. Silvery moon peeps into my room like an intruder. I can't behold my feelings in such a revealing picture of grand nature I desire to delve deeply into the autumnal beauty of this night. The entire universe conspires to recreate a wonder with a Holy Spirit. Star-like tiny flowers dance with an occasional break to reunite with the glowing embers of a heavenly delight. My insane soul rests in the breast of the velvety cool breeze that blows from afar. By nurturing a harmony with nature, my serene soul shivers with a spiritual fervor. It's the end.
Ma'am, I would like to tell something. Ma'am, you speak
Yes, yes,
and
please.
you basically write in English, but when you
Yes.
recite, na, there is a Hindi touch in
Hmm.
your voice. There is a Hindi touch in your reciting. And before the
Okay.
conversation, I was talking with my core member, so I was like, it's
Hmm.
in English, so I will talk as a professionally. But that person told me
Hmm.
that no, ma'am, talk in Hindi also. So, ma'am, do you talk in
Yes, I
Hindi?
can. मैं भी बहुत अच्छे से
Okay.
हिंदी बोलती हूँ. हिंदी में ही
Oh my
बोलो
God.
कुछ
मतलब कभी भी
कोई भी दिक्कत नहीं है.
जी मैम, कभी भी आपसे हिंदी में बात नहीं हुआ था, कभी भी आपसे हिंदी में बात हुई
हिंदी
नहीं
में
थी
ही
कभी भी,
बात कर
जब भी
सकते हैं
इंग्लिश
बस
में बात
हिंदी
हुई
में
है।
कोई दिक्कत नहीं है मेरा.
ओके, क्वेश्चन आया है, वेयर इज दिस बुक
या
कमिंग मैम? ये तो
गो
मैम ही
अहेड.
बताइए मैम. देयर इज अ क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम द ऑडियंस दैट व्हेन
यस
इज
यस.
द बुक कमिंग, तो प्लीज मैम टेल अबाउट दैट.
I think the book is going to live on 5th of November. That's my birthday, and I have decided to release that
ओके.
on.
या, we wish you a very 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 birthday, happy birthday in advance, and we pledge that on that day we'll definitely join you
Thank you.
at least for 5 minutes or 10 minutes. I know you have a very
Okay.
very busy schedule, ma'am, but I would like to
Yes,
request
yes.
you, just please come for 5 to 10 at least. And I hope,
Okay.
we pray on that day you got your book at least, that we
Okay.
will come live with
Let me
your
pray
book,
also.
and that would be a pleasure with us.
Yes, yes,
Yeah,
yes.
ma'am.
Let's hope for the
Definitely
best.
that.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, now just tell about the future planning, because you have already published three solo book of yours, and you have also writing since many years. Okay. So
Yeah.
before asking about the future, I would like to know, ma'am, please tell us about your writing journey. That for how many years you have written?
I have been spending
Yes, ma'am.
since
Please.
almost 7 or 8 years on writing. Now, currently, I am pursuing PhD
Wow.
in Commonwealth Vocational University in English. Obviously, that's my language. And my future project is I'm trying to create, I think, a one-act play or two-act play on modern drama or on some absurd project. It will be some absurd subject like Waiting for Godot or Camus or Sartres. They are all absurd writers, and my research topic is also on absurd theater. That's why I'm trying to create a replica of that, or I can write a science fiction. This is my future project. I'm working on them.
Great, great. We will just waiting for that science fiction project. That will be our dream
Yes,
book from
and
our
I will
colleagues and
work
all.
with you
Wow.
also.
Yes, ma'am. That's going to be a great.
Yes, I have decided to work with Hombre publication next time also. Because you all are very pampering kids, like for me, you all are kids.
Ma'am, please tell us about your favorite genre, your favorite topics to read, to write, ma'am, please.
I always read Shakespeare and dramas. I always read also Baudelaire. I always read. Thank you for my happy birthday. Someone is wishing me advance happy birthday. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I always read Eliot and 20th century writers. Next to that, I always read postmodern literature also. Arundhati Rai is my favorite. Preeti Sinha is my favorite. I have collected their volumes. Paul Coelho is my favorite. Chetan Bhagat is my favorite. Favorite in the sense we have to read a lot. If we have to read a, I think 10 or 20 books, then we can write a single sentence. I don't know about others because I always think I am a fool. Then I have to read volume of books before I have to write one sentence only. That's my train, that's my fonda actually.
Agreed, ma'am. Agreed. Really agreed. Oh. So, ma'am, now please tell us about your future plans. That what are you going to write? That you told about. So, what are your future plans for that? You have done great things in article. So, anything, ma'am, you have wished to write means you told about you write science fiction, but any genre you have not written till date, but you are wishing that you are willing that. Oh, I wish I could write that topic. I wish
I
I could
have to
write
write
that.
some horror fiction. Yeah, dark
Okay.
comedy and horror fiction I have not chosen till now, but I should choose it.
Okay,
Actually, I
okay.
often raise
This
voice for the downtrodden and the oppressed ones. This time it is a romantic poem, but I always write articles like female genital mutilation, like women empowerment, like sex education for preteens. These are all my subjects actually. When
wow,
someone is in pain, in agony, I always raise my voice. It's more from my childhood. There is a
wow.
sense in my childhood that I should raise voice for the downtrodden and the poor one. But how can I? It become because I am a woman, I am a feeble one. I can't raise a war against them. So I have chosen to write against them
Wow,
because
great
pain
thinking,
is
man.
nicer
Great.
than sword.
Yeah, definitely, ma'am. Indeed. And ma'am, one question I would like to add that according to you, I know this is a very common question, very frequently asked question, but what I feel now, I feel that every different individual give answer in their own way, and that's what I love this question. So the question is that according to you, what are the responsibilities of a writer for the society, for the youth? Please tell, ma'am, about according to you.
They
Yeah.
should avoid plagiarism. They should avoid plagiarism. They should avoid imitation. They should read. They should rewrite. Even they can use their own language also. But plagiarism is strictly prohibited. Copying, copy pasting, plagiarism without using your own words by copy pasting and after that saying that you have created. These are all not. These are not all good and sane things that a writer, a boarding writer should work on. They should always initiate. They should always trade on their own path. Duplicacy, piracy, and plagiarism, imitation. They are not. They are not art actually. And last thing,
Called
never
scams,
stop to think.
fraudism.
Scam. Yes, fraud, scams, plagiarism, imitation. We in research we say it is plagiarism, it is plagiarized things, but it is not true. It is not the well way. It is not the correct way to achieve success. For success,
Right,
you
right.
have to tread on the untrodden paths of your life. Never stop to think that what people will say, even what my wife will say, what my husband will say, what my in-laws will say. A married woman can do anything. I am an example of that. I am a married
Yes,
person
ma'am.
and I have a 12 or 13 years girl. She is preteen also. I never think that what people will say. I just trade on without thinking, but give time to them. Being a homemaker or being a housewife or being a working lady, you can separate your time. You can reschedule your time. You have a routine. You should have maintained a routine for you, and just then trade on, work on. You can spend your
Great
nights also.
inspiration.
First have rest. First have rest. Without rest, you will not live. And how can you write? That's why you should have rest for
Wow.
8 or 9 hours also.
Great, man. Really
First,
inspiration. You are an inspiration for women out there. Wow. Proud of you, man. Literally proud of you. Thank you very much for, giving the
thank you.
wings, giving the sparks to the women out there, all the Humrians. Okay, ma'am. I know कि you have very short period of time, but you just take some time for us. It's a literary pleasure for us. It's a really really great achievement for us. Like people like you, some busy within some busy schedule, bring out some time for us for literature for our solo book. Thank you very much, ma'am. Last but not least, I would like to ask that
Go
what is
ahead.
your message for the newbies? Yeah, the youth writers who are aspiring writers who are willing to come into this writing field. Please, ma'am, give them some messages. Yeah.
Actually, my advice is to read. I have already said that to read and trade on the untrodden path. Untrodden path, someone will not understand. Let me clarify it. That path which you have not even think of, the path we have with which you have not imagined ever. But just
Yeah.
imagine, just think, and don't compare yourself with others. That Priti Sinha is doing that, Chetan Bhagat is doing that, but we are not like that. We can be like them. We can be if we try hard.
Right.
They are not the great persons. They have tried hard. They have begun from very slow pace, and from that low step level, they have conquered. They have achieved a great pace. That's why never compare yourself with other writers also. Never be jealous or never be envious of others. You are the own
Right.
master of yourself. Have the control of your mind also, because heart is something that can drag you anywhere, any place. Sitting here, I can say that I should marry with Hrithik Roshan, and just I can dream many things. Don't daydream. Just make your dream possible by keeping
Work hard.
alive
Yeah.
at night also,
Wow. Great,
and sleep
man.
well also.
Great.
For dreaming, sleep well.
Wow, great. So, ma'am, your live session is the shortest live session we have done with the solo book author.
Yeah.
But let me tell you one thing. This is the most inspirational live session I have produced ever. Because, ma'am, you talked about your writing choices, you talked about your favorite writers, you talked about the, you know, how most of the time you just inspire people. There are some messages you can still they are still there. You can have a look. They are just
Yes.
saying you are an inspiration, man, and I'm feeling like yes, my team have done something great. This is a great thing to produced a solo book with us, with you, with your guidance. I think Humble Person House will definitely grow. So thank you very much, ma'am. It's a pleasure, it's an honor to come live with you, and I am lucky that I think this is our fourth or fifth time, right, ma'am? We have came together.
Yeah.
I think this is fourth or fifth time we are coming together. Yes, ma'am. Yes. So, ma'am, last
Fifth
I know
time,
that was
fifth
the
time,
last.
every time there is internet disruption and I got caught or eliminated. This time I am
No
ready
problem. But
with
this
three
time,
or
no, no.
four phones. This time no blunder will happen. I am ever ready, like a robot.
My God. Oh my God. Yes,
Be
yes. That's why you're
humorous.
an
Be
inspiration.
humorous always. Don't be serious. Don't be always serious and heavy-minded. Just like be
Right.
light-minded people. They always just be light-minded people. Be like light.
Yes, yes,
Be
yes.
humorous also. Without humor, and just don't let your childlike face or childlike soul die in your heart. You can be a child also
That.
at any age. Just
Wow.
enjoy
My God,
and
ma'am. You
live your
are
life
early.
every day just like a celebration. There are pains, there are agonies in every life, because nowadays there is pandemic. Nowadays so many boarding writers are also there. There are economic crisis. There are so many crises, political crisis. But what can we do? We have to live. We have to live our life. Because if you complain, there are so many complaints we can raise. In spite of that, we should focus on our life. If each of the citizen of our country will think like this way, then our country will be a better country in terms of world context.
Wow, ma'am. Amazing. Literally amazing, ma'am. This is the greatest live inspirational session I have produced. And thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you, thank you, thank you very much. Literally. People are just commenting inspirational live net. This is a great thing. Thank you very much, ma'am. And I'm just looking to get you back very soon. Like I told you on 5th November, which is your birthday, and we'll just request you to come for 5 minutes at least, because your presence for 5 minutes will be 50 minutes, ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Okay,
God bless
okay,
you.
okay,
And at
okay.
last, again, wanna congratulate you for your solo book, Heart of the
Thank
Songs
you.
of the Heart, which is very closer to
Yes.
my heart. And on 5th November, we'll just, we'll launch it, we'll reveal it, the cover. in front of everyone, because let it surprise. Okay. So bye, man. See you. Good night. Thank you very
Bye,
much,
bye,
man.
bye. Bye,
Thank
dear,
you.
bye, dear.
Bye.
Everyone
Bye.
here, I wish you have a safe Diwali. Bye.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Good
Bye.
night. Take care. Bye bye. So thank you very much, family. You all are our strength, like I always say. So thank you very much for always being there. So I hope soon we'll get back to you with the live session.